let's look at another example in that format. So we're doing chain rule in pieces this time. So what they want you to find over here is the derivative of, they want you to find the derivative of y with respect to u, okay? This ddu means take the derivative with respect to u. And we're like, of what? Of y, okay? So find the derivative of y with respect to u. That's what I'm doing. Let's see. The derivative of, we write down what y is by finding what it is. Where are you, y? Y is square root of u. I'm not going to write it as a square root of u. Let's rewrite that square root expression as x to the, not x, I'm sorry, u, right? U to the 1/2 power. Okay? So, if you use a power rule, you will get half times u raised to the negative 1/2 power. So I'm done with that. So I'll wait. Let's go to the second part. Well, what do they want us to do? They want us to find the derivative with respect to x. Okay. Find d dx of u this time. Okay. Let's see what that is. What is the derivative of? Now I'm going to write down what u is. U is x squared plus 4. So take the derivative of this. X squared will give us 2x, and derivative of plus 4 is just 0. So now we got this orange and green fraction. And what we got down here is the dy dx. And again, we can achieve this by multiplying dy du by du dx, right? Multiply these two orange fractions and get the derivative y of with respect to x. So what is that gonna be? What was the answer from this orange fraction? This mess right there. So I'll bring this down. I'm multiplying this by the answer from the green, which was 2x. And now we're going to try to simplify this, but let's rewrite the u so that we don't have any letter u here. We are just going to write respect to x, okay? So what was u? U was over here, right? X squared plus 4. So replace u by that gray highlighted binomial, okay? So instead of u, say x squared plus 4, and then everything else the same. Let us simplify this now, okay? Take a look. You have half times 2. They're not right next to each other, but you really have half times 2, don't you? Half of 2 is 1, so that cancels out, okay? Now I'm going to draw a fraction bar because this x right there, this right there, will stay on top, okay? But this will go to the bottom. How did I know this is going to the bottom? Oh, look at that negative, okay? So that's going to go to the bottom of the fraction because it's got a negative exponent. But when we bring it down, let's put it back in the square root notation, okay? So put square root of x squared plus 4 in the denominator, and that's it for this problem, okay? So really chain rule, but just written out as the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function.